Hello travellers, so today we're doing just a kind of quick hands-on review with the new Western Rise Techwool Flannel shirt. So some of my first thoughts are that it's very nice and comfortable to wear. They say it's got a very smooth texture, and you can see that here. It's very smooth and very comfortable to wear. And it's also very stretchy. So it's 48% polyester, 47% Coolmax, and 5% non-molstered wool. And it has a two-way stretch in the fabric, and it's 180 GSM. Now the wool content does make it quite warm, so we're in a transitional period in Australia where it's spring, and it's still, some days it's quite cool, some days it's warmer. But just wearing this with one merino wool undershirt, it feels very warm, and I don't feel the need to put on a jacket, whereas earlier today I did need to put on a jacket. So it definitely keeps the warmth in, and it's very comfortable and stretchy. Now it does come in two colours, the black, which I'm wearing here, and a white version. And that's a bit different than your traditional flannel shirts which have a pattern on them. So I was quite surprised by the fit of this. This is the size small, and typically with some of the previous Western Rise shirts, I have found that the small is a little bit too big for me. But the last two recent shirts that they've made, one being the Airlight shirt, which I reviewed earlier here, and that I wore to Thailand, that one was also a small, and it fit very well. And this one also fits quite well. So I think they have updated their fit for the small, and it now fits very well. And personally, I quite like this new fit. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. So another great thing about the flannel is that it's good for layering. Similar to a merino wool shirt, it's actually good for cool weather layering. So you could wear a merino wool t-shirt, and the flannel, and then a jacket, or more layers to get more warmth. You can also wear the flannel as kind of like a very, very light jacket, so you could wear it open buttons, or even roll the sleeves up if it gets a bit warmer. Comes in at 176 Australian dollars or 119 US. So overall, very nice new shirt from Western Rise, and I would recommend checking it out, especially if you like flannels and you want something with a two-way stretch that's good for cool weather and also is quite versatile for traveling and layering. So that said, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to stay subscribed to keep up with the future videos, and be sure to let me know down in the comments what you think about this shirt or what are your favorite shirts for travel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.